Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a bulb on a Fiat 500. First, gather your essential tools, including a new replacement bulb, a pair of clean gloves, and potentially a flathead screwdriver, depending on your specific model. Always ensure your vehicle's ignition is completely off and the engine has cooled down sufficiently to prevent any burns. Taking these initial steps will ensure a smooth and safe bulb replacement process. Now, let's access the bulb. Begin by opening the hood of your Fiat 500 and locating the rear of the headlight unit. You will see an electrical connector attached to the bulb housing. Gently press the release tab on this connector and pull it away to disconnect it. Following this, carefully remove the circular rubber dust cover, which protects the bulb from moisture and dirt, by pulling it off. With the dust cover off, you will now see the bulb. Depending on your Fiat 500 model, you might need to unclip a metal retaining spring or twist the bulb a quarter turn counterclockwise to release it. Carefully pull out the old bulb. When handling the new bulb, always use gloves or a clean cloth to avoid touching the glass, as oils from your skin can significantly reduce its lifespan. Insert the new bulb firmly into its socket. To finish, secure the new bulb by reattaching the retaining spring or twisting it clockwise until it locks. Next, carefully replace the rubber dust cover, making sure it forms a tight, waterproof seal around the housing to protect the bulb from the elements. Finally, reconnect the electrical connector, ensuring it clicks firmly into place. Turn on your Fiat 500's lights to confirm the new bulb is working correctly before closing the hood.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.